Hi everyone, it's Brenda from the Old Millbrook School Early on Child and Family Center, and I have my helper Junior here with me. Today we're going to share with you guys a very cool oil and water experiment for you guys to try at home with your little ones. And all that we need is just things that you probably have around your house already. So we're using 3 containers for the waters, and you can use as many different colors as you like. We're going to be using 3 of them. And a clear container for the oil. We're using vegetable oil. You could use baby oil if you want to have a clear look. And we're using what it's called? Syringe. And if you guys have droppers at home, they will work great as well. So what we're going to do is that we're going to start mixing a couple of drops of food coloring into the water. I'm just gonna mix this green one right here, and Junior is gonna do the red and the blue.
Whoa, that's a lot of red.
And we'll just mix them up together. So once they are mixed, we have our 3 different colors and the vegetable oil right here. Now we're going to let the magic happen and see what happens when they get mixed together. Wow, you see? What do you see, Junior?
I see drops of color.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to bring the oil closer to the camera so you guys can see that it forms like really cool balls in the oil, and you guys can see them right there. And this is a great experiment for your little ones to start to see and recognize what happens with when you mix the 2 liquids together, and see what happens. For the older ones, then you can explain to them that how the water and oil don't mix, because you know the water is more dense than the oil. And yeah, just have lots and lots of fun with it. That when you mix it, then try to stir it, and still doesn't mix. It's a very simple experiment, as we said. And if you guys try it at home, let us know and maybe share some pictures with us. Hey everyone, here we have another little different variation of for the water and oil experiment. And what we have here is just a clear container with water, and we have a cup with oil and food coloring. So instead of using the water to put the food coloring, we're gonna put the drops straight into the oil, and we're just gonna add some food coloring drops into the oil here. Can you help me, Junior?
Yes.
I'm gonna add a few of the blue one, and you can add as many as you like, many different colors as you like as well. We have the red, green. Junior is adding some red, and let me see if I can find a couple more. A yellow one and a pink. Let's see. Just add a few drops in there. Perfect. So now you can see there's a little balls with different food coloring in it. And what we're going to do now is that we're going to pour the oil into the water container, and we're going to try to do it sideways and here, and you can clearly see how the oil stays at the top, and now the food coloring is coming down slowly, you see, and it's forming all this nice beautiful rainbow as it comes down, which is pretty cool. What do you think, Jenner?
It's pretty cool.
What do you see?
Like, you know when it's kind of like just when you drop the food coloring in water, it just goes like bubbles.
That's right, but the only difference is that you can see the bubbles of colors up at the top still, in between the oil and the water. And then you see how slowly they pop and they come down and start to mix into the water. And I'm gonna try to do a little close-up so you guys can observe. Oh, maybe it will help if I'm not in the background. There you go. There you go. So there you are. That's that. Again, if you guys tried any of those at home, let us know and maybe share some pictures with us. Take care now. Bye.